So I'm going to be going over how to use split screen on this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Now, the nice thing about Samsung devices, whether it be a phone or a tablet, they just make it really easy to do, and it's not like you have to change anything in your settings, which is really nice. Anyways, it looks really cool when you go into split screen on this tablet. What you need to do is just open any recent tabs, and then when you do that, you got to click on the tab logos. So for example, I'm going to click on YouTube, and as soon as you do that, you're going to see a split screen option. Now, when you go into split screen, it's going to ask you if you want to add any other apps, and I'm just going to add a game I've been playing, Hunt Down. Okay, and then you've basically got split screen. Now, you can adjust the screen by going up or down on that blue bar in the middle. This also works in both portrait and landscape. And I mean, it's really cool. And, you know, split screening is something I always like to do. I'm a big multitasker, so I always use this feature. I wish it was, you know, easier to use split screen on iOS devices, but, you know, maybe someday it will. Anyways, like I said, you can adjust the screen size. If you want to go back to full screen, you would just move that blue bar all the way over, and then it'll adjust it accordingly. So I'm going to do one more example because we had it in, you know, portrait. Now I kind of turn this to tablet, so it's kind of the same thing. You click on any recent tabs you've had open. We'll do this again. We'll use YouTube in that split screen, and then I guess we'll go with, like, we'll say the Play Store. Let's open up the Play Store, like we're looking for you know, maybe a game or something to download. I'm actually downloading a game right now as we speak. Okay, but yeah, same thing. Like I said, you could just kind of adjust it, and you know, if you want to make one bigger than the other, it's left or right. But it's cool, man. I mean, this is just like a cool thing to do. You know, especially on this tablet, it's nicer to have that bigger display to use split screen with, as opposed to using like a Samsung phone, for sure. All right, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed you know, this quick tip. This tablet is really nice. It's like a budget tablet. It sells for, you know, between like 130 to 160 bucks. I'm going to be doing some more videos with it. Going to be playing some COD Mobile shortly. If you guys could smash like button on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching it, and we will see you in the next one.